Inaayos ko lang tong mga phone. Naka-charge kasi. Ayan. Lakay dan to short video, dikit na rin, sabi ni Sir Jun Mix TV Vlog. Taga Cebu. Sino ba taga Cebu pumunta sa akin kahapon? May pumunta dito rin taga Cebu. Hello, Layar Channel. Hello, good morning. Mega love shout out. Good morning po, Layar Channel. Parang nakita kita sa live. Nakita pa kita sa live. Good morning. Mega love shout out. Layar Channel. Layar Channel, this is your main account. Wait, you can see. Yes, thank you. I will give you a jacket. Happy Sunday din po. Sir Sir Sailing Channel. Ayan. I give you a jacket. Nagtatagalog ba ka? Right, main account 1. Okay, ayan. I give you a jacket. There's a moderator I give you. Thank you, Layar Channel. Thank you so much. Si Sir Lakay Prodal Channel muna bigyan. Ayan, ayan. Sir Layar Channel, I give you a jacket. Thumbs up dan. Thank you po. Thank you po sa pa-thumbs up. Thank you so much. Sir Radio na yan. Na-thumbs up na rin ba kayo sa radio? Sa radio. Dan na po tulay sa Don Bosco. Sabi ni Sir Radio. Sa radio connect dan host. Ayan. Yeah, thank you, Layar Channel. Good morning, mega love shout out. What's from East Kalimantan? Yes, I will watch you. Wait for a while. You're the third. Sir Lakay Prodel Channel is the first one. Second is Ray June, and you are the third one who coming into my life. Layar Channel. Yeah, I will watch. Wait for a moment. Ayan, Sir Ray, Lakay Prodel Channel, yung 360 na panoodan ko na pala una mo. Porcelain times wall installation. Yes, I will watch you, Sir Layar Channel. Wait a minute, I will watch you. I only one phone and two phone for watching. Thank you so much, Layar Channel. Ayan. Layar Channel, one of my other account, watch your video. Okay, pangalan is Kalinman. I want, video is Kalinman. Oh no, ano ba yan? The tag pulling 5,500 and coal. Sale, Sir Layar Channel. I'll watch your video. Okay. There he is. I watch. Sir Lakay Prodel Channel, ito sa'yo. Tag pulling 5,500. I will watch you. Thank you, Layar Channel, and also thank you so much, guys. Thank you for coming to my live.